Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Tutorial 8, changing the background color. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, a project which we have been working on. As you can see on screen, we have photo.psd. So we can now turn the attention to the desktop to start the tutorial. So double click on photo.psd. Let's just wait for that to load. And now to change the background color, what we can do is go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on the rectangle tool, and then draw a rectangle or square that you wish. And now we have a square with the light blue color. We can change that in a moment. And so now let's try rearrange this in a way where everything that's at the front or behind should be at the front. So let me increase the size of the rectangle, pull down, hold shift. The whole background is now light blue. Let's just rearrange the rectangle on top of the background. So the background is now light blue. If we want, we can change this to another color. Let's say red, purple, white, black, dark blue. Let's just keep it to light blue. And so in this tutorial, you learned how to change the background color, insert a new rectangle, change the color to whatever you want. And so that's done. We can now quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.